Hi there. In this video, I'll show you how to upload a custom HTML email template on Pardot Salesforce. Let's go to the menu and new email template, and then give it a name. You can add some tags so it will be easily findable inside the template list. Select a campaign and then go forward. Skip this page. Get your code from a browser or any code editor like Brackets or Notepad. From here, you can copy the code and paste it in the HTML option. Here you can see the preview. The template is loaded here. If your template have editing merge tags, then it will be editable in the editor of Pardot. If your template doesn't have this merge tag, you can ask your developer to add these things for you so you can edit this very easily in a visual editor. That's it for today. Thank you and have a great day.